Tonight's storms hang over the metro area with drenching rain and just incredible hail. Take a look at this scene in Lakewood. Hail piled several feet deep. This brought out people with shovels, even heavy equipment to clear the way.
In nearby Golden, people dealt with flooded streets. David Brennowitz sent us this video of the storm pounding his area. And our Mile High Stadium camera captures the light show tonight. Lightning streaking across the sky as these storms move through. Our weather coverage begins with Justin McKeffey in the Mobile Weather Lab. And Justin, you're in Lakewood. We just showed people shoveling there. There was so much hail.
Karen, it looks a lot more like a scene from January than September. Look at this, several feet of hail that fell in Lakewood a little bit earlier today. Most of it did fall out of the sky in the form of pea-sized hail, so that means it was not a severe storm, but we're talking about several feet. This is the Mobile Weather Lab, and just for scale, just for perspective, it comes up to the top of the tire. This is a big car. It's a lifted Suburban with large tires, so that just gives you an idea of how much hail fell in this neighborhood. Also, over to my left, this is a culvert that the city put in to act as a drain for some of the water when it does rain heavily. Earlier today, it rained so hard and it hailed so hard that all the water backed up behind that culvert and actually flooded some of the local basements. They had to send in a backhoe a little bit earlier this afternoon to remove some of that ice. And finally, after it did, it still managed to flood some of the local roadways and leave this area with so much hail today. I'm going to step out here and just show you, just give you an idea of exactly how tall this is. It's got to be at least 2.5 feet of hail right next to my leg. A couple of interesting things also going on right now. It's forming what we call hail fog. All this ice on the ground is cooling the air temperature down to its dew point. We're basically standing in a cloud. Also interesting, if you walk in any one direction, you don't see hail anything like this. That means it fell directly from underneath the thunderstorm and left about 2 or 3 feet of hail in this yard in Lakewood. Live tonight in Lakewood, Justin McKeffey, CBS 4 News.
That is just crazy. Something to see. Justin, thank you.
Look at this, a pile of hail from Karen Hutcherson. This is from Evergreen. This is from David Hirsch, 44th and Wadsworth. Look at the flooding there. They had to pull the cars out. And take a look at this one from Michelle Davis, Sweet Ridge this afternoon as that hailstorm went through. Not nearly the hail that Justin showed you, but hail nonetheless.